Well, hi guys, good morning. Cheers to my Marilyn Monroe cup this morning from my lovely Jessica. I love you so much. She got me this beautiful coffee cup, teacup. I use it for both. So that is my girl right there, Marilyn Monroe. So dope. Want to give her a shout out to my lovely Jessica. Love my cup, girl. Okay, so first I want to thank everybody for wishing me a happy birthday on my YouTube channel and all the love and support you guys gave me. I love you guys so very much. I took a couple days off, as you know, for my birthday. I super enjoyed myself with my family, being around the people that I love most. And today is Thursday and tomorrow is Friday, and me and my honey plan on dipping out tomorrow. It's another little package to my birthday, overnight stay away. Super excited, so happy that I have this wonderful man in my life. However, so today's gonna be an early morning day. Okay, I'm doing a lot of cooking this morning. Simple cooking, but a lot of cooking. Little prepping, and I want to get things done very early today. My kids are about to go online on schooling in a little bit, and I want to get a great workout in as well. So I hope everybody's keeping themselves first and making sure that you get that great workout in. Due to this COVID, you know, it's really hard to get out, go to gyms and stuff like that. I keep everything home. I've always been keeping everything at home. The only thing I really do is I might go like out like for runs and stuff like that, which I haven't gotten to do just because the online schooling and, you know, all that extra stuff. So however, I'm waiting, counting these days down for it to start getting nice over here on the east side. All right, so let's check out what I'm doing today. Last night I prepped, I kind of got a little kickstart. I seasoned up my my chicken. So let me show you what I'm doing today. Let me do the flip side. I miss you guys. All right, so as you see my station here, this is everything I have out, all my ingredients, and I'm gonna break all that down to you in just a sec. And of course I have my little book up here, and I actually took my notes for you guys. Simple ingredients, simple stuff for such a wonderful, great meal. So what this gal is up to today, simple ingredients, I am doing a tender strip chicken. And I'm doing a Ronzoni pasta. Plus cucumber salad on the side, and it's very simple. 1, 2, 3 ingredients. So that's what I'm doing today. It's gonna be like how you would do like a chicken parmesan dish, but this is my twist. This is my different pasta. And my different chicken. I'm doing the chicken strips, which works really good with this dish. So again, I'm doing the tender strip chicken, and you're gonna see all my little clips together that I put yesterday when I marinated that lovely chicken with the simple ingredients, and I'm using that Ronzoni pasta. So simple dish, so delicious. Cannot wait for the aftermath after my workout today. I'm up early, so I'm gonna enjoy my weekend as well. Now I know I promised you guys I'm going to be doing those pastelillos with that shredded rib meat, okay, and cheese and all that good stuff. I'm going to be doing that Monday, either Sunday or Monday. Look for that video, depending on how my weekend goes. I might just wait for Monday because I might be a little exhausted after my little getaway with my honey. So so we'll see. So catch me Monday or Sunday with that. So yeah, that's gonna be a delicious pastelillos. You guys gotta try this. This is a little twist that I do. I'm always doing something funky in my kitchen. Remember, it's your kitchen. You do what you want. You do your twists. You do everything and make it your own. And that's what this girl does every day. I play with my food in my kitchen. I'm like, this is perfect. And then I have my other dishes as well that I have put together over the years, mixed up with a lot of great cooks, especially my mom. She's number one in my heart. My father's a great cook. I come of a long generation of good cooks on the Puerto Rico side as well. As those of you that don't know, my mom's family has a restaurant over there in Guayama. So we come from the seaside. They do a lot of fish and a lot of seafood on that side. And then on my dad's side is in the mountains where they cook a lot of rice and meat and chop those pigs up and everything else. It's super awesome. All right, so just wanted to quick share that. So please check out all my videos. I got a bunch of stuff. I have over 1,000 something videos out there, and I just want to thank everybody for continuing to support me on my YouTube channel. I am looking at a couple of food trucks as well, because I know this summer is not going to be a good idea to put anything out there. So I'm just taking one day at a time, and hopefully by next summer I will be have everything legitly together and right from my backyard. And hopefully by next summer I want to actually grow some vegetables in my yard and do some other stuff. So I don't know, I have all these crazy entrepreneur ideas in my head. I want to be my own person, my own twist, my own everything. So I'm super excited about that. But due to COVID situations, it's going to probably not be till next summer, but I'm definitely going to be working on everything this summer, little by little, and getting things and putting things together. All right, guys. So I just want to say I love you guys, and I miss you guys so very much. And you're going to check this girl out today. Do this super, super duper delicious dish. So please don't miss it. So, and I also plan on doing, I don't know if you see me do that shake, the last shake that I did with the baby kale and the baby spinach mix that I did. It's just a simple mix that you put together for a great workout. Get your greens in. Don't forget, we need those right now, how important that is to take care of your insides and all that great stuff. Stay healthy. So yes, I have, if I'm going to do a flip side here real quick. Okay, so if you see here, I have my kale, and this is for my shake. I'm also using baby kale and baby spinach into my dish today, but this is for my shake that I'm doing today, for my health drink today. And then I have some cucumber I'm adding into my thing as well. And this is my baby kale and spinach that I'm using for my wonderful dish that we're going to see later. Yeah, so I just wanted to give my friend Jessica a shout out as well. She's been so lovely and helpful and just there for me 100%, and I love her so very much. She is my soul sister, and she got me this wonderful Marilyn Monroe cup, and I'm actually drinking the yogi teas today, the energy ones, the sweet tangerine ones, and they do have some caffeine in it, of course, because you need that energy boost. So good. So yeah, this girl's getting ready to get her little workout in. So I just want to say hi on this beautiful Thursday, and please do not miss my dish later. I'll put all my clips together. Ciao.